guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are back again. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the 18-inch Lasko remote control pedestal fan, but this time, it has 5 blades this time. Same controls. What is it? Yep, same controls. And I'm about to do a turn on high. No. Decent speed. But when it goes up, it's higher and higher and higher. This is speed 2. Oh, this is the 4th speed. This is speed 3. Yep. This is speed 2. Yep. Here's speed 1. Speed 1 is the lowest. Yep, guys, you can definitely see the blades. Okay, now turn back on 4. It sounds like the Lasko pedestal fan from 2014. Yep. Sure, pretty good. They also changed temperatures. Yep. Same like the 3 blades one my friend has, but it's actually 5 blades. Metal. Seeing how long will it take us? Oh, hang on. Okay, this is a spin off on high. Yep. Spin up on high is very low. Looks pretty good. Has an oscillator too. Oh, turn on the oscillator button and look. See if it can oscillate. Yep, there's an oscillating button by the power button. Very cool, huh? Oh, look! I think the fan did that. Yeah, I think the fan must have moved the yeah. On accident. There's this. I can put this up to higher. Any higher. Yep. Turn off. See if we can. You actually put the turn sign? Hang on. Speed is almost over. Once it's done, then we're gonna end. That's it for this video, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Put it in the comments and notifications. And see you in my next video. Bye!